Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today it's yet another episode of nice Chettinad cotton collections. We are going to see again different patterns, more of thread weaves, buttas, plain, checks, all different designs, all different patterns, and very nice different combinations. I'm sure you would have liked these collections. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree from us, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is again a lovely lime green with a pink combination, a thread border pattern Chettinad cotton saree. Beautiful, lovely design. What a look at the thread border, like no, what a weaving, what a beauty in it. Lovely. Both the sides it's the same length of the border, and throughout the body we have booties which has been running along the saree. And the pallu of the saree is a simple line pallu, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1080. We have some nice combinations in this. I'll show you the other combinations. Next is a beautiful black with a mustard combination. What a wow combination. Lovely design. This is the body of the saree, a lovely black with mustard combo, a beautiful pattern. And the pallu of the saree is a simple line pallu, and the blouse is again a running blouse, and the price of the saree is 1080. The next combination in this pattern is a purple. This is a double shade again, a purple and a blue mix body. With that, in that we have a nice mustard combination border, a lovely pattern. This is the border of the saree, both the sides same length of the border, a nice design. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is a line pallu, and the blouse is again a running blouse, and the body we have nice buttas which has been running along. It's all completely a thread border, and the price of the saree is 1080. The next is a beautiful combination, a beige with a green and red color border. What a beauty, like no, this color and the border weaving is so beautiful. The thread weaving is so nice. That combo is lovely in this. This is the body of the saree, a nice combination. And the pallu of the saree is this, a line pallu, a beautiful color combo, and the price of the saree is 1080. This lovely Chettinad saree, a very nice combination, a lime green with pink combination. It's a very different pattern. It's a long border pattern. Once on the bottom part we have a long border, on the other side we have a contrast small border, and in the bottom part of the border we have a thread weave, zari weave, all mixed in one border. Very pretty and a different pattern. And throughout the body it's completely plain, and the pallu of the saree is a simple line pallu, and the blouse of the saree is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1010. We have some beautiful color combinations in this pattern. I'll show you the other combinations. This is a blue with a purple shade, a very pretty combination. Yeah, this is the body of the saree, a nice one, a blue with a pink shade, purple shade actually, and the contrast border is in pink shade. And this is the pallu of the saree, a line pallu, and this is the body of the saree, a very pretty one, and the price of the saree is 1010. And we have another nice combination, nice dark brown with light fawn and pink shade mix border, very contrast and a beautiful border. Yeah, this is the body of the saree, a lovely design, pretty one. Bottom part big border, and top it's a small border, and the pallu of the saree is this, a simple line pallu, and the price of the saree is 1010. We have one more beautiful combination, that's a grey with a pink combination. What a lovely combination this is, a very pretty one. This is the body of the saree, a nice pattern and a nice lovely design, very pretty one. And the pallu of the saree is this. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1010. This is a nice red with mustard combination Chettinad saree, a very pretty design, a checks pattern again. Both the sides we have a beautiful contrast border, and above that we have small talambu borders, and throughout the body it's a beautiful checks with butta inside the sari. A lovely pattern and a beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a simple line pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1180. We have one more beautiful color combo in this pattern. I'll show you that. That's a blue with a pink border, a very very pretty combination, a lovely design. This is the body of the sari, a lovely combo, a very very pretty design and a pretty color combination. And the pallu of the sari is a line pallu, and the blouse is again a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1180. This is a beautiful Veldari pattern, a lovely design in Chettinad sari. Both the sides we have a nice contrast thread border border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful Veldari which has been running along the sari in thread weave. It's completely a thread woven pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1100. We have one more beautiful combination in this. I'll show you the other combination. That's a lovely maroon with green combo. See what a beautiful combo this is. A lovely design. A very very beautiful maroon and green combo. Lovely pattern, lovely design. This is the body of the sari. A lovely pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this. A simple line pallu and a running blouse. And the price of the sari is 1100. This is again such a wow combination, a purple and a blue mix combination, a lovely design. On the bottom part it's a big border, on the other side it's a small border. Bottom part we have a beautiful Annapakshi design which has been running along the bottom part. On the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body it's a plain. It's a double shade, so it's a purple and blue mix, so it looks very very classy and nice. This is the pallu of the sari, a line pallu, and the blouse of the sari is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1010. We have nice combinations in this. I'll show you the other combination, the same pattern. This is again a dark violet, a burgundy shade with the pink combination. A very very lovely combination. A very pretty combination this is. This is the body of the sari. What a lovely combo. And these are all completely thread weave. The borders are all thread weave. A small and big border pattern, a lovely design. This is the pallu of the sari, a simple line pallu, and the blouse is running, and the price of the sari is 1010. We have one more combination in this. That's a pretty red, a chili red with a green combo. What a lovely combo this is. Trust me, it looks so beautiful. This is the body of the sari. Small and a big border pattern. The other side is a small border. A very very pretty combo and a pretty design, and the price of the sari is 1010. It's such a lovely wow combination. A beautiful big border pattern on both the sides of the sari. A nice combination. The body is a dark peacock shade. Very very slightly a double color also. Peacock blue and a green mix of a sari. And on the bottom part, on both the sides we have the same length of a big border, which is completely a thread weave. Annapakshi, Rudraksham, all in the same border. A very pretty pattern. On the other side also same border, and throughout the bodies we have buttas which has been running along the body. And the pallu of the sari is a simple line pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1080. We have some beautiful color combos in this pattern which I am going to show you now. A very very pretty combos. This is a beautiful green with a rust combination. This is a mehendi green with a beautiful rust combination. Very very pretty color combinations in the border which you could see. I think you can have a beautiful closer look of this. A very very pretty combination. Throughout the body this is the same color, and the pallu of the sari is a simple line pallu. This is again a line pallu. That's how it's going to be. So I'll just show you all the colors alone in this pattern. A very pretty combination. The next is going to be a very very beautiful beige with a fawn color with a lovely dark brown shade and the green mix border. What a beautiful border this has. Like no, such a wonderful combinations, wonderful borders in this. Very pretty combination. Throughout the body we have buttas running along the sari. A nice combination. The price of the sari is 1080. The next is again a lovely double shades, all like pattu sari combinations. This is again a violet and a blue mixed body, different double shade, and the border is in dark purple and an orange mixed shade. Very pretty combinations. This is the body of the sari. A very lovely color combination, and the body is completely butta. You have buttas in the body, and the blouse is a running blouse. Price of the sari is 1080. The next is again a darker green, darker mehndi green or pasi pacha, more of a pasi pacha. In that it's a nice rust color border. In that we have a beautiful blue also. It's a mixed color combination in the borders. Lovely combos. A very pretty design. All these saris have blouses running along in the sari. Very pretty combinations. The next is a what a wow color. Beautiful color combo. Grey with a black combo. Very nice color combinations and a beautiful borders. Like no, the thread colors which they have used in these borders are such lovely combinations. This is the body of the sari with buttas. A lovely design. Price of the sari is 1080. The next is a pink with a green combo. Again a very pretty combination. A nice red and a pink mixed color. That's the body of the sari. In that we have a beautiful contrast green combo. A nice combination. Lovely design. A pretty combination. And all the pallus are running pallus. Just a line pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse. This is a beautiful copper sulphate with a dark blue combination and indigo blue border. A very pretty combination. Very lovely design. I hope you could see the colors and the designs and the borders. Very pretty combination. Body is a butta design, and the pallu is a simple line pallus for all these saris, and the blouses are running. And all these saris are priced at 1080. This is again a light, it's not grey, it's more of a light brown and a grey mix. A very light chocolate brown, something like that of a shade. In that we have a dark, more of a black. I'm just seeing whether it's a black border or a brown border. It's a black border with a lovely color combo in this. Very different combination and a different color. What a wow color combination. A lovely pattern. Very nice design. And the price of the sari is 1080. And the last but not the least, again a very beautiful blue and a violet mixed body. Very pretty combination. And the border is again a beautiful indigo blue. A nice combination and a nice design. Very pretty combination. Lovely big borders these are. Like no, it will make you look so grand. The sari by itself will be very pretty and grand. Lovely combination. And the pallu of the sari is a line pallu, and the blouse is again a running blouse, and the price of the sari is 1080. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the collection. Such a pretty combinations, lovely designs. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.